Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Digital transformation will drive the future of banking. For the banks to get success in the digital age, the only mantra is banks need to embrace emerging technology, remain flexible to adopt evolving business models, and put customers at the center of every strategy. India needs 4 or 5 more banks like the State Bank of India, said Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The FM said India needs to scale up banking to meet the changing requirements in light of the shifting realities of the economy and industry. We need not just more, but bigger banks. If we look at the post-COVID scenario, India's banking contour will have to be very unique to the country, where there has been an extremely successful adoption of digitization. The level of digitization of Indian banks helps us to transfer money to small, medium, and big account holders through DBT and digital mechanisms. The need of the hour is Indian Banks Association to improve the access of banking in every district through a rationalized approach and optimal utilization of digital technologies, and to carry out digitized mapping of all bank branches in every district of the country. Almost 2/3 of nearly 7.5 lakh panchayats have optical fiber connections. The IBA should consider this and conduct an exercise to decide where banks should have a physical presence and where we are able to serve customers without the presence of a branch. Such nimbleness and agility are especially important for India to be able to achieve the ambitious export targets of $2 trillion by 2030, $1 trillion in merchandise exports, and $1 trillion in service exports. The banking industry needs specialists to understand the unique business requirements of diverse sectors and the businesses that are rapidly relocating to India. The finance minister commended the amalgamation of the banks during the pandemic without causing any disruption in the services to customers. She called for a reimagination and sprucing up of banks' corporate communication in line with the changing realities of the new digital and connected age. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. Cybersecurity management is a continuous process, says SEBI chairman. Cybersecurity management is not a one-time event, but a continuous process, says SEBI chairman Ajay Tyagi while speaking at the inauguration of joint certification course in Cybersecurity Foundation by NISM, CERT-In and CDAC. Tyagi said SEBI has been constantly stepping up its cybersecurity efforts both internally as well as externally. He has highlighted the SEBI's cybersecurity efforts related to market infrastructure institutions, intermediaries, mutual funds and its internal measures. Microsoft rolls out Financial Services Cloud to address retail banking. Microsoft has revealed that its cloud offering aimed at the financial services industry will be available from 1 November 2021. Microsoft Cloud for Financial Services promises a foundation of privacy, security and regulatory compliance. In a blog, Corporate Vice President, Worldwide Financial Services Bill Borden says the offering integrates cloud services across Microsoft Azure, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Microsoft Power Platform, underpinned by an industry data model. The new offering is designed to optimize business processes by enabling interoperability and omni-channel communications. CoinDCX has onboarded Amitabh Bachchan as its brand ambassador. Amitabh Bachchan joins hands with Indian crypto exchange CoinDCX as the brand ambassador. Bachchan will also be part of a new campaign that will focus on popularizing cryptocurrency as an asset class. CodeDCX said Indians have recently taken a liking to invest in crypto. However, awareness needs to be raised regarding safe crypto investments. The crypto market in India is worth more than $2 trillion and set to increase with more and more Indian investors exploring new investment opportunities and adopting crypto asset class as an option that is futurist and can provide good returns. Being a leading exchange, CoinDCX wants to ensure that crypto is accessible to everyone. Facebook's products harm children and fuel division, says ex-employee of FB. Facebook former employee Frances Haugen testified before the US Congress on Tuesday said, "I am here today because I believe Facebook's products harm children, stoke division and weaken our democracy." She added, "The company's leadership knows how to make the platform safer but won't make the necessary changes because they have put their astronomical profits before people. There is no one currently holding Mark Zuckerberg, the Facebook chief executive, to account. The buck stops with Mark." Jay Vijayan's Techion raises $250 million, valued at $3.5 billion. Bengaluru-based Techion, developer of a cloud-native automotive SaaS platform, Automotive Retail Cloud, secured the Series D financing round of $250 million, which has helped the company to get valuated over $3.5 billion. Techion would invest this additional capital towards accelerating its ARC platform rollout to dealers globally, setting up a customer experience center, expanding product innovation hubs in California and Texas, and fund its product innovation expansions activities in India. ARC is aimed to have the potential to replace legacy automotive dealer management systems, uses big data, machine learning, and AI to seamlessly bring together OEMs, retailers, and consumers. The company has increased the headcounts from 400 a year ago to about 1,350 at present. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.